Hello and welcome back to another episode of Jace the Gamer. My name is Jace and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an intro just like mine. Yep, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an intro just like mine. So I hope you enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe and comment down below. And yeah, I'm gonna get into this video. Alright, now what you have to do, you have to type in Panzoid. Alright, now click it. Now if you come to a different page and you don't see the red, blue, and green right here, then you're in the wrong place. I don't know what to tell you. You're in the wrong place. You need to retype it in, see what you can find. But yeah, you can choose any intro that you want. I'm just gonna really choose yeah, just use that, and then press open Clipmaker. And then you might think that you did it wrong or something. No, you didn't. Just press the I right here to see how it looks. If you like it or not, just to see how it looks. But I'm just gonna do this for the video. Alright, now if you like how that looks, right, and you want to put your name in it, just go to the cube looking thing right here. Now when you see text, like, just press it right there, replace the name. Okay, now go to, if you want to change the font, if you like how it looks, you don't have to change it if you don't want to. I'm gonna change this just to show you guys. And since I saved that, just gonna go down to this one and do the same thing. Alright, change the font. If you change the font on that one, then you have to change the font on this one as well. Alright, now if you got that down, you can play it and see how it looks. You can see how it looks. Alright. Now, if you want to save what you have, and if you like it, if you're all satisfied and everything, then all you have to do is go down here to the download looking thing. Press that, you press start video render. Press that. Now it's gonna take a bit of time, about a minute for me. Alright, so I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna come back when it's done. And now guys, the video rendering is almost finished. And when it is, right, a few more seconds, it's almost finished. And it's finished. Now you can download your video. Now it's gonna be downloading. You press save file, okay? Press OK. Now go here, right here, to the blue download button right here. You press that. Open file. And you'll see your intro. Okay, wait, hold on. You're not finished. Go down here to the pencil. Now press view in photos. If you don't do this, then you're not going to be able to get your intro, okay? Just press this. Now press save as. Now go down here to save. Saving a copy. Now if you go to your files and you go to videos, hold up. Now if you go to videos, files, you'll see video 4. And you can just add this in any video that you want. Now I'm gonna make it. Hold on. Yep. Since this is black and white, you can't really do green screen on this. But that's green screen is for another video. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of showing you how to make an intro. All you have to do is those simple steps. Just follow what I said, and you'll have yourself an intro in no time. But I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you duders in the next video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.